Hello friends, Delta Corp is India's only listed casino gambling company, and Rakesh Jhunjhunwala, the big bull of Indian stock market, has also invested in this company. So in today's video, I am going to analyze this company. So watch this video till the end. Hello friends, my name is Karthik and my mission is to spread the knowledge about the world of commerce under one umbrella, which is Combrella. So friends, let us start the analysis of Delta Corporation by first understanding about the company and its business. So Delta Corp was incorporated in the year 1990 and it is the largest organized player in the casino and gaming industry in India. Okay friends, let me now tell you the top features of this company before we further move into the financial analysis. The first top feature which I would say is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala is an investor in this company. He was also board member, but later he then stepped down from the board membership and he is an investor in this company. And Rakesh Jhunjhunwala along with his wife Rekha Jhunjhunwala hold 7.38% shareholding in this company. Okay. Second feature, it is the only listed casino and gaming company in India, casino as well as gaming company in India. Okay, so it has a first mover advantage. Market leadership is there with Delta Corporation. Third thing, it is a debt-free company, which is a great positive for this company. And fourth thing is, it gave dividends in the previous year. Okay, despite all the losses which it faced due to COVID impact, which has badly affected this company, and also gave a buyback of shares to the shareholders in the previous year. So these are the top four features. Okay, now let us move further into the financial analysis of this company by understanding about the company more. So friends, this company has three segments. First one is casino, the second one is online skill gaming, and the third one is hospitality. And friends, in India only two states allow casinos to be operational, which is Goa and Sikkim, and Delta Corp is present in both these states. Delta Corp was featured or has been featured in the Fortune India Next 500 Companies list. Its rank was 321 for the financial year 2021, and before that its rank was 374 for financial year 1920. Before that 447 in the financial year 1819. Friends, there is a popular saying that nobody actually makes money in the casinos. Everyone only lose their money in the casino. And the only one person who makes the money is the casino company which runs the casino. And the money which they make is huge. And in India, friends, casino market is very, very small as compared to Las Vegas, Macau and Singapore. But as India grows, as the income of the people grows, the disposable income is also increasing. The casino business is also going to grow in the future. Okay, hence there is a good future prospect for the company. And this is the company in which I have also invested, friends. Okay, so the underlying theme of this analysis is that if you are betting that casinos and online gaming is going to grow in the future, then Delta Corp is surely going to benefit because it is the market leader in this industry. Okay friends, let us see what are the three segments and little bit go further into these three segments. Let us first see the casino gaming. Okay, so it has totally 6 casinos in India as well as including one in Nepal. The first one is Deltin Royal in Goa. It is Asia's largest offshore gaming vessel. Offshore means it is a vessel, a cruise ship will be there in the rivers, okay, and the cruise ship inside that the casino will be there. Okay, so Deltin Royal in Goa, Asia's largest offshore gaming vessel. Second one is Deltin Jack, again in Goa. It is also offshore gaming vessel. Third one is King Casino in Goa, again an offshore gaming vessel. Fourth one is Deltin Suits, okay, casino in Goa. It is a land-based casino which is inside a hotel of Delta Corp itself. Okay. Fifth one is Deltin Denzong in Sikkim, which is a land-based casino. And then finally the sixth one, Deltin Casino International in Nepal, Kathmandu, a casino in a 5-star hotel started in February 2020, just before the lockdown, in a 5-star hotel Marriott. Okay friends, so these are the 6 casinos operated by the company in India and abroad. Let us now see the online gaming, online skill gaming which it has. The Adda52.com, Adda52.com, India's #1 poker website, is owned by Delta Corp. Okay friends, and the second one, Adda52rummy.com, is also owned by Delta Corp, which has now 1 million registered user base. Okay, so good presence in casino as well as online gaming. And the third third segment, which is the hospitality, is the Deltin Hotel in Daman. Okay, it is the first and the only 5-star hotel in Daman, and the casino approval is pending from regulatory authorities in Daman for this particular hotel. Okay, and the second hotel is the Deltin Suites Goa. It's an all-suite hotel with integrated casino, which has also, I told you, the land-based casino in the Goa. Okay friends, so these are the 3 segments of the company: casino, online gaming, and hospitality. Now, when I was going through the annual report of the company, friends, the company itself has done a SWOT analysis: strengths, weakness, opportunities, and threats, and I found it very useful. So some of the important points from the SWOT analysis I will share with you now. Let us see the strengths. The strength is, it is an industry leader with the first mover advantage, high brand equity, no competitors as such, at least in the casino business. In gaming business, the Nazara Technologies has come in, but casino, no competitors. And it has leadership position in key geographical locations, Goa and Sikkim, okay, the only 2 places of casino in India. And it has a diversified portfolio of online games also, okay. Because of online games, actually, it helps the company to sustain, because casino was badly impacted due to the travel and tourism being hit due to the Chinese coronavirus. And another strength is debt-free balance sheet, which is very, very important, which helped the company to survive this pandemic wave. Let us see the weakness. Weakness is the same geographical location, because only 2 places casinos are allowed. And the second weakness is, it needs to operate a non-core hospitality business. Hospitality is not the core business of the company, and hence it has to still operate because of casino. And the third weakness is the license, restrictions, and all the limitations and all the regulatory authorities and approval, which is different from state to state, because gambling is a state subject in India, and hence that is a weakness or a kind of a challenge to the company. What are the opportunities? Opportunity is under-penetrated Indian market, friends. The new millennials are playing more online games, okay, and also the under-penetrated casinos in India. Over time, as India grows, income of the people grows, good opportunity for casinos and online games in India. Threats is the regulations, okay, because of all this regulation surrounding the casinos, like the Daman casino in Daman was actually, it's pending due for approval since more than 2 years now, and stiff competition in the online gaming business is a threat to the company. So with that, we have seen the business of the company, the SWOT analysis of the company, friends. Now, let us understand the industrial outlook, the macroeconomic factors which are going to affect the company. So friends, casinos and gambling has got badly affected due to the Chinese virus, the corona Chinese virus. And according to Fitch ratings, the global casino market will reach pre-pandemic levels only in 2023. But again, it depends on a lot of factors, the new waves which are coming, the Omicron and various other, viruses and its potential impact. So it's going to be a challenge for the company, for casino business as such. Similarly, in hospitality industry, friends, the travel and tourism, which directly affects the casino business of this company, and the hospitality, friends, is badly affected due to this Chinese virus. But if you see, friends, the travel and tourism industry actually is always a growing industry, because people actually love to travel more, and this sector will always grow in the future, but for this coronavirus. So once this world comes back to normal, casino and hospitality will improve for the company in the future. But let us focus on the gaming sector, okay, and then online gaming further. If you see, friends, the global gaming industry generated revenues of around $177 billion in 2020, and it is expected to reach $204 billion US billion dollars by 2023. Okay, friends. And in the gaming segment, mobile segment is going to remain the largest share with 51% contribution is going to come from mobile gaming. Okay, this is the global gaming scenario. Let us understand the gaming in India. India is among the top 5 mobile gaming markets in the world, friends. And in mobile gaming, it is divided into 3 main segments. First, real money games. Second, casual games. The third one, esports. Okay, and the rummy and poker, which is operated by Delta Corp, comes under real money games. Friends, there is a report done by FICCI and ENY on the online gaming segment in India, wherein they stated that the revenues of online gaming in India in the year 2019 was 65 billion rupees, 6,500 crores. In 2020, it was 77 billion rupees. 2021 expectation is 99 billion rupees, and 2022 is 155 billion rupees of revenue from online gaming. Okay, and the online gamers in India in 2020 were 360 million online gamers, and 2022 expected to be 510 million online gamers. Okay, and in online gaming, further the growth will be led by the real money gaming apps like this poker, rummy. This is what will lead the growth in online gaming, friends. Okay, and what are the drivers for online or mobile gaming? Increased adoption of smartphones, cheap internet data. Okay, internet penetration is increasing in India. Adoption of digital payments like UPI. Okay, so online gaming is going to have a bright future. Delta Corp is surely going to benefit because of this, since it has 2 popular online games currently. Okay, the poker and the rummy, and who knows, in the future they might add new or acquire new online gamings also. Okay, friends, so this is the economic outlook of gaming industry in India. So friends, now that we have seen the information about the company's operations, business, macroeconomic outlook, now let us understand the financial analysis of the company, which is the most important part. Okay friends, so all the numbers in financial analysis is based on consolidated numbers, and all the numbers are in crores. Okay, so if you see the revenue from operations of the company for the year ended 31st of March 2021 was 419 crores. Okay, and it has come down from the previous year of March 20, it was 773 crores. Okay, so if you see friends, the last 5 years, the revenue you can see here, 419 crores, 773, 798, 608 and 455 crores. So if you see the 5-year growth, it has obviously become negative due to 2021 being very badly impacted for the company due to the COVID virus, negative 1.63% CAGR revenue growth rate. But if you leave this year alone, 2021, if you leave it, the previous 4 years revenue growth rate, if you take it friends, it has been 14.2% CAGR. Okay, not so great, but a decent enough. Now let us understand the segment-wise revenue of this company. Okay, from where the company is generating revenue, which are the segments. If you see for the year March 21, okay, year ended, casino has given 249 crores, online gaming has given 155 crores, hospitality has given 15 crores. This is the total breakup of 419 crores. Okay friends, and last 5 years you can see the casino, online gaming and hospitality, the revenue numbers here segment wise. So casino, obviously last 5 years CAGR negative growth rate of 9.2 only because of March 2021 and March 20 because of the COVID impact. But if you leave this particular year, the previous 4 years, if you take 10.32% is the growth rate in casino gaming. Online skill gaming was started only in the year 17-18. So the 4 years from 17-18 to March 21, the growth in online gaming has been 24.56%. Very good growth, I would say. Hospitality is not, it has not grown obviously because of COVID also, it has impacted badly. That I'm not going to, see the CAGR. Anyways, it is a non-core for the company. Let us see the segment results of the company. Segment-wise profit or loss of the company. Casino in the current year, March 21, has given a loss of 30 crores. Online skill gaming has given a profit of 21 crores. Hospitality has a loss of 27 crores. And hospitality, all last 5 years you can see friends, it is a loss making because of non-core operations. Okay, casino this year has been a loss, previous all years it has been a profit. Okay, so last 4 years CAGRs, if you take, casino has given a growth rate in profit of 7.89%. Online skill gaming, right from starting till this year, March 21, negative growth, negative 4.56 growth rate in the profits friends. This segment results. Okay, This is the situation. Now let us go further into the financial analysis. If you see the profit after tax of the company for the year ended March 21, it is loss, 26 crores loss. Before that, it was a profit. Okay, so if you leave this year, see the previous 4 years of the company, the growth rate, okay, has been 27% in the PAT of the company. I would say it is a good percentage growth. Okay, operating profits and the margins, let us see. For this year, obviously, March 21, the operating profit has been negative 40 crores of operating loss, and operating margin is negative 9.46%. But if you take, okay, the average of operating margins, average of including March 21, last 5 years average including March 21, average operating margin has been 23.56%, friends. And if you leave this year, last 4 years before that has been 31 or close to 32% of average operating margin. So that is a good sign, I would say. EPS of the company this year has been negative 0.90 rupees. All previous years has been positive. The 4 previous years before this year, growth in EPS has been 21%. Okay, friends. Let us now look at the return on capital employed and return on equity, friends. This year again, return on capital employed and equity has been negative 0.64% and 1.31% negative respectively. Okay, but if you see 5-year average CAGR of return on capital employed, including this year, has been 12% return on capital employed. If you remove this year, take the previous 4 years, average CAGR has been 15.37% return on capital employed. Return on equity, these 5 years has been 7.71%. Leave this year, the previous 4 years has been up close to 10% average of return on equity. Okay, so this is the P&L portion. Let us now see the P&L portion for the running financial year 21-22. Okay, so for the 6 months ended 30th of September 2021, total income of the company is 165 crores. Okay, and a loss of 51 crores. If you see 30th of September 2020, the income was 107 crores, loss was 83 crores. So it has become better than previous year. But if you see the 1 year before, pre-pandemic levels, 30th of September 19, total income was 402 crores, profit was 101 crores. So badly affected due to coronavirus, but I would say it has really good future prospects. Let us now look at the cash flow of the company. Operating cash flow has been positive for the company all throughout the last 5 years, but the net cash and cash equivalents, the net cash flow from all operating, investing and financing activity, negative this year, previous year positive, before that negative, before that again positive. So it has been on and off fluctuating, but the free cash flow of the company has been positive all throughout the 5 years. You can see the free cash flow here, 43 crores, 253 crores, 42, 81 and 111 crores. Okay, friends, let us now go to the balance sheet. The current ratio of the company is very good. I would say 4.67 times current ratio for year March 21. Before that 5.87. So current ratio, the company has been maintaining a healthy current ratio, friends. Okay, and the most important part, the company is a debt free. There are no long-term and short-term borrowings of the company. Okay, that is a very, very important part which helped the company to survive this pandemic, this Chinese virus, in spite of all these lockdowns and revenue being badly affected. Debt free was the most important part which helped the company sail through this tough times. So past has been tough for the company, especially last 2 years, but you have to see the future. Always look for forward looking. If you believe in this theme of casinos and gamings and gambling and online gaming, then it is surely, I would say, good company to invest. So friends, now let us see what is the rewards which Delta Corp has given to its shareholders. The company has not declared any bonus, but it has done a stock split of its shares in 2008 from face value 10 to face value 1 rupees. Okay, and recently in the previous year, October 2020, it did a buyback of shares of 125 crores. In spite of all such lockdown and severely impacting the revenues of the company, still it has gone ahead and done a buyback. So it shows the optimism of the company, I would say. Dividend per share of the company for last 5 years has been 1 rupees, 1 rupee, 1.5 rupees, 1.25 rupees, 1 rupee and then 0.35 rupees. And total gross dividends, paid by the company for the last 5 years has been 26.68 crores, 2020 and 2021. Okay, 1920 40.64 crores, 1819 33.87 crores. Before that 26.7 crores. Before that it was 9.35 crores of dividends. Okay friends. Now let us look at the valuations of the company. The current market price as on 17th of December is 277 rupees. Okay, and market cap of the company today is 7,391 crores. Okay, so it's a small cap company and has a tremendous opportunity for future growth potential. Okay, let us see the PE ratio. PE ratio current year, if I would take trailing 12 months, will be, I can't give a negative PE ratio because EPS has been negative in March 21. So if you take March 20's EPS, based on that, PE ratio comes to 40. Okay, which I would say is not very high, neither very low. It is little bit on expensive side, but I would say considering the future growth prospect, it is absolutely fine, I would say. In March 2020, when the lockdown was initiated, the share price crashed to 59 rupees, friends. March 2020. From there, it has gone to all-time highs of 308 rupees in November 2021. So I can see people are actually, I would say, thinking about the future, forward-looking, based on this company, being a casino and gambling company. So it has actually risen very much, from March 2020 lows to right now. Okay, so it has optimism, very much optimism. People are optimistic about this company. Another red sign, I would say, promoters have a pledging of shares. 7.49% of the promoter shares are pledged, of this company. So that is one particular sign, which you have to be careful about. So friends, let us now come to the conclusion part. Okay, so if you see, friends, in conclusion, what I would like to say is about the company. The company is having this business, it's a unique business, and it is a market leader in the company, casino and gambling. Nobody else is there in India. Market leader, first mover advantage. That is a good, I would say, as the time improves, this business has a good opportunity in the future. Macroeconomic factors we all have seen, except for the COVID, everything is fine for the company, and online gaming is going to boom in the future in India as well. So that is also positive. In financial analysis, certain points were good, certain were not good. So I would say 50-50% in a financial analysis of the company. Okay, based on good points as well as the negative points. Based on the rewards to the shareholders, it has decently rewarded to the shareholder. Okay, and also another point being, Rakesh Jhunjhunwala has invested in this company. Just because he has invested doesn't mean that we should also blindly invest. No, but we can do our research, understand, and if you are convinced about the business of this company, then we can surely invest. Okay, and debt free is a balance sheet of the company, which is again a very good factor. So friends, this is a purely future oriented stock. Okay, what has happened in the past is not a representative of the future. Okay, so if you are a believer in the gambling, gambling, casino, online gaming, then surely this company has good prospects, okay, in the future. So I would say look at the future. If you are convinced, then you can invest in this company. Okay, so that would be my conclusion for this particular company. So I hope you found out this video useful and understood about the company. You can do, and you must do your own research and then make an informed decision whether to invest or not. I will see you all in the next video. Until then, this is Karthik signing off. Thank you and namaste.